today's video, I am doing a pantry organization video. I have been wanting to do this for so long and I had really high expectations for how I wanted my pantry to turn out, and I think that it definitely meets my expectations. I can't wait to show you guys. Before I do, I want to introduce you guys to Lauren. She has a lot of really fun cleaning videos, a lot of mommy videos, very similar to my channel, so if you guys are enjoying my channel, I'm sure that you would love hers as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert a video of her now.
Hi everybody, my name is Lauren and I'm from the channel Lauren Midgley here on YouTube. So, first things first, I am a wife and I am a mom to the cutest, sweetest little 8-month-old boy in the whole wide world. I'm gonna put some pictures of him right now. And then obviously I'm also a YouTuber, so I make a lot of videos about motherhood, like day in the lives, and I am like what they call a first-time paranoid, anxiety-filled mom. So you get to see a lot of that on my YouTube channel and the real life things that I go through and what I get anxious about being a first-time mom. I also do cleaning videos, so you get to see how trashy my house is all the time. I do cooking videos, I do decluttering and what I eat in a day, just a little bit of everything. I do really love the community and the family that I've built so far on YouTube, and I would absolutely love for you to come over and check out my video when you're done watching Brittani's. We are doing pantry declutter videos, and I'm putting this off all week because it's horrible. It looks horrible. So you'll have to come over and see what that looks like, and I hope that you like what you see and you choose to subscribe, but I can't wait to see you guys there.
So here is what my pantry looks like before I organized it, and this is pretty embarrassing. As you can see, stuff is just kind of thrown everywhere, nothing really has a place, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking stuff out one by one and clearing out the pantry. So now I'm just going to go through everything that I took out and check expiration dates and throw away anything that might be expired or old. And now I'm going to use my trusty Mrs. Meyer's spray. This is the mint scent, and I'm going to go ahead and clean out all of the shelves and make the pantry nice and clean before I put stuff back. I'm going to use this contact paper that I found at Target on the shelves. I just thought it would be a pretty addition and make the pantry look a little bit more unique and fresh. It's pretty easy to work with. It's lined on the back, so all you have to do is measure your shelves and then cut out the pieces accordingly. This is what the contact paper looks like whenever it's done. It definitely wasn't the easiest to work with, but if you are a perfectionist, you should probably stay away from it because it can be really frustrating, but only if you look like really close. I mean, I think for the most part, it looks pretty good. I ordered these little labels from Amazon, and I will leave the link below, but all they do is peel off, and then you can put them on any clear containers that you have, or really it doesn't have to be clear, any containers that you have. But I just thought that they were really unique, and they have like that kind of farmhouse look to them, so I thought that they would look really, really cute in the pantry. So if you guys are interested, I will leave them below. Now I have these right here. I just already had these on hand. You could get some that are a little bit cuter, you know, without the colors on them or whatever, but these are just what I had on hand. And I have some stickers that say cereal, so I'm just gonna put them right here on the backs of them. These jars, these are from Target, and they're like $8 a piece, I think, and I think that's pretty reasonable. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rolled oats one on here, and then I'll probably do flour or sugar in this one depending on what I have. I need to look and see what I have the most of. Container is just one that I found at Home Goods. It was $7.99, and I think I'm gonna do chips. I thought about either doing like chips or snacks. Right here was from a Target dollar spot. I want to say it was like last Easter, and I just put the little pasta label on there, and I put all of our pasta in here. And then these little gray wire baskets are also from the Target dollar spot. That is a great place to find baskets like this. I don't think they have any at the moment. They might, at least at mine they didn't, but these are probably from last year. Yeah, they're from last year, because I think I did my last pantry organization video using these, and they were like, I don't know, $3, $5 something. So in here I put the rest of the chips. I did that one with the chips, but there was obviously not enough room, so I made this one chips as well. And then this one has oils, coconut oil, syrup, breadcrumbs, just kind of like miscellaneous things in a way. And then this little caddy is from Home Goods, and I decided to make this like the little snack caddy. So I've got fruit snacks, chocolate covered almonds, Kind bars. These are like my favorite snack. Pistachios. I think there's like some raisins and some chocolate stuff left from Easter. And then some protein bars. This is just kind of like the little snack area for me, my husband, the kids, whoever. But I thought that that was really, really cute. You could probably find one of these at Home Goods if you look hard enough. I wish it was like white or something so I could put a label on it and you could see it, but that's okay. This little wire thing is kind of like health foods. I've got, I don't even know how to say that, maca powder, and then flaxseed, brewer's yeast, that's just granola. I've got stevia in the raw, and then in this thing right here I've got a whole bunch of tea bags. So I've got regular tea bags and then like herbal teas and stuff like that. So I also have this, and this has all of my I don't know, we'll see, aluminum foil, sandwich bags, Ziploc bags, paper towels, stuff like that. This stuff always gets just like thrown around everywhere, so I have a pretty big size basket. I want to say this is probably from the Target dollar spot. Again, I don't remember, but I'm sure it's from Target. So I don't have a lot of room in my cabinets to organize spices, so what I like to do is just put them in the pantry, but I like to be able to see them. So I found this little staircase kind of spice holder from HomeGoods, but I just kind of keep it in the corner of my pantry. That way it's just kind of like out of the way but still very organized. Spending all day organizing and purging, here is my final organized pantry. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you a little bit of motivation and inspiration to organize your own pantry. I feel so much better now that everything has a place. Don't forget to check out Lauren's video. I will leave her link in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time.